Think we're live. Think we're live. Channel. We are live. All right, dude. The mic. Oh, it's probably my fan. That might be better. All right. I can make you rich, Luke. But this is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. All right, let's have a quick look. Before we hop into everything today, I want to just quickly go over yesterday. And I wish I had a mouse. I need to buy a mouse. The setup is still not perfect. Luke, we got to play Rainbow tonight. Let's play Rainbow tonight. Surely. I don't want to be trading too long, to be honest. I'm going to be in and out of this. Okay. I want to quickly just show you guys yesterday. Now, I haven't deleted any of my drawings, but as you can see, like, I clearly said that we'd be looking for longs above this level. We look for it to come up, come back down to that level, somewhere within that level, retest, and then we get a strong push to the upside. Obviously, price was here. Start there. Price was roughly here when we were trading last night. That's what price looked like to us. And I did say, you know, there's a great probability that the market's going to want to fill this gap here. Oh, I forgot the screen smaller. Yeah, this gap there. And that's what it did. And as you can see, I did say this was a danger zone, this level. There's a lot of trading happening within this level. And if we were to kind of fast forward a bit, just tell your girlfriend that you've got like Some important business matters to handle tonight, Luke. Yeah, Josh, do you play Rainbow Six? I play Rainbow Six, so if you want to play, hop on tonight. I'll be on tonight if you're keen. So basically, I was saying that this is a danger zone. A great indicator is obviously number one is prices moving sideways. It's not really breaking out, but also a huge indicator is all these wicks. When you see a ton of wicks, especially on the Nasdaq likes to push. So the reason why people like trading Nasdaq so much. Okay, I'll text you, Luke. The reason why people like trading Nasdaq so much is because it's great for continuation traders. A lot of continuation traders can make a lot of money on the Nasdaq, and so yeah. So this area here is a danger zone. Don't trade. Which now I did trade it, but that's also because I have a lot of experience and I know I'm confident and knowing how to handle this. I made a video on YouTube how to trade ranges. Now I think I deleted that video on YouTube because I think it's just too risky for people to learn when they're first starting out. I don't want to lead people astray, so it's not ideal. Most traders will tell you don't trade ranges, but as you can see, we're in a range, and in this range with these wicks, you have two, indicators. It's moving sideways. There's a ton of wicks on both the top and the bottom. And so you don't want to trade it. Now, if we were to fast forward, maybe 5 minute, let's maybe go to the 1 hour. Nope, 1 hour is not clear enough. 15. Yeah, we'll stick with that. Let's stick with 5. Okay, so if you look at this 5 minute, we took that trade. Now, I didn't officially take that trade. Unfortunately, I called it out for whoever was watching. This would have been a fantastic trade. I already made my money, and I didn't want to risk getting greedy. It was a good trade. I kind of wish I got into it, but I'm also glad I was disciplined enough to hold off. This was actually a 50 tick. You could 50 tick stop. It was a 1-2 basically. There. And so if you look here, the reason why you want to draw this range out more, that's why I had it out more, is because if price comes back into this area, you still don't want to trade that. If we were to pull up like a volume, where's it at? Maybe this? No. Just an indicator here. Where is it? There it is. I think a bird just flew into my window. If we were to pull up this volume indicator, this is just basically showing you a lot of where orders are. People are buying and selling. And so right here, oh wait, you can't see. Right here, you would see on this indicator. Now, obviously, all indicators are lagging, but you can still use this to watch and just confirm what you're seeing. Oftentimes, like these areas that don't have a lot of volume, price tends to bounce off these areas. So you can use this indicator to also get some pretty good plays. So if you know that there isn't much volume here, there's a good chance that if prices are going to come down, there's going to be a pretty big wick to the upside or a bounce. I'm giving out some free knowledge tonight. This is good stuff. Okay. And then if you look, price does end up coming back down into this area a few times, because why? Price, there's a lot of buyers and sellers, a lot of orders in that area. You see point of control. This black line is one of these points of control, basically, is just showing you where there's a lot of people sitting in the market. So price goes up, we get a push up. and bam. We called it as well. We said we wouldn't really be looking for long-term plays like longs, longer term longs, then unless it gets above this level here where this white line is. Look at what it does, respects it, comes up, taps it, goes back up, comes back down, breaks through pretty strong, but then comes back, retests it again, and then shoots up. I mean, all this stuff that you see here written, even this arrow, everything, I did last night. Nothing's new here. This is all my drawings from last night. Pretty much called out perfectly. Now let's go ahead and start focusing on today. I can't remove all my drawings because I have some back testing drawings. Got some back testing drawings I've been working on, so I can't remove those. Let's see. All right, let's look at today. Let's look at today. I am gonna delete everything here. Why did those outlines not delete? I like starting off with a clean chart. I think this is a trade I took the other week. Longs. All right. We'll start on the daily. Please just ignore all the drawings and writings. This is just a new strat I'm back testing. Well, it's not really a new strat, but I'm adding something to my current strategy to make it more bulletproof as I can. All right, so we obviously know daily is bearish at the moment. Now, if we were to look at the previous day, we had a crazy, let me pull it up. We had a crazy momentum to the upside. Like, that's a pretty big move. We're looking at a 4,300 tick move, basically, just in yesterday's, trading day, which is nuts. So this could most likely confirm. Also, we look down here, we're struggling to break this low. That's been a solid kind of level for a while now. Go to the 4 hour. I will say, I'll say it in a second. Let's move that so it's just cleaner. We might need this later. As you guys can see, we're in a downtrend. Pretty clear downtrend. I want to make this line a bit cleaner. We're in a downtrend. Just gonna move this so I can see. And in this downtrend, we're coming up to that level with prices. So we could see a bounce. I will draw one more line to see. Yeah. So we could be looking at, basically what I was going to say earlier is we could be looking, if we get a closure above this, we get a nice green candle close above this level. And if we want to be aggressive, we could be looking for a longer term buying play here. Something like this. This is like a swing trade. This could be a swing trade setup coming. Yeah, so the swing trade setup coming. And then what we could look for, if you wanted to play it more safe, you could look for a closure above, a retest, and then a push up. Simple play, like super easy to do. Anybody can trade this. You don't really have to be a pro to know how to use a trend line as a strategy. But I will say what I would love to see first, though. We have a double top here, this 4 hour. What did I play that as, a 3 hour? Yeah, 3 hour. Don't like that though. I think I like that 4 hour. Yeah. Play the 4 hour instead of this 3 hour. Be watching out for this level here. Four-hour zone. Why is this not working? There we go. How many ticks away are we? 150, 170, somewhere in there. Let's see what else. Got 7 minutes to London Open. Gosh, I gotta use the restroom. Oh, by the way, I've got a quick phone call I gotta make at 7:30. But I won't stop the live. I'll leave the live running. Just hop off for a couple minutes. Unless we've taken our trades before then. And we're done for the day. We'll see. Not really seeing anything else. Josh, do you play Siege? I'm not gonna lie, price is moving slow. Unless my stuff is frozen. Oh wait, I've got another account. I need to get my Apex account sorted. Oh, you should play it. Just do it. I love it. I play it all the time. I play it every day, basically. My thing's frozen. I knew it. I was like, it shouldn't be this slow. Yeah. I need to quickly group my PA accounts. Manage groups. What? What is happening with my stuff? Manage groups. Yeah, thank you. Eval. Save. Manage groups. What? I don't know what the heck is happening. Got 1 minute. Got some strong push to the upside here.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
What? What is happening?
Order rejected. Order rejected.
What the hell? Oh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I've taken some trades here just to kind of mess around with the account, not real trades. I'm up like $100 or something. What the hell? My account was being weird, so I was just trying to work out what's wrong with it, but it's working now. So weird. All right, what am I looking for? Ain't got anything yet. Price is just so heavily moving up to the upside. Oh, we kind of got a level there. It's 30 minutes. Oh, yeah. This is a tough one. To be honest, I'm not like a huge fan of this. There's just too many, there's way too many things at play right now. I might have to go to the 1 minute and try to see if I can get some smaller entries here. Interesting. So usually I can get into trades right away. To be honest, I've been lately I've been just doing A+ setups. So I've not been risking it, to be honest. What I'm looking for is for this level to bounce off that level basically and go down. But I need to, where's my CMD? What? Where did it go? Missing an indicator. Oh. Well, how many ticks are we? 40 ticks. We're gonna move to the 1 minute now. See if we can get anything here. Hopefully it doesn't run away from us too soon. I'm gonna be looking for sells, so get ready for some sells. Damn, I was thinking about buying there. Oh, damn, that would have been a good trade. I was about to call buys into the sells. All right, trade might be incoming, just wait. No, no sells. The entry didn't happen. Yep, see, there you go. We didn't get the entry call out for it. Another one might be coming here soon. Where is it? 33. I'm long. Wait, didn't enter. The hell?
Order filled.
There we go. I'm long, but it gave me a bad late entry. Oh, these cells come in now. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, the cells are coming in hard. I just thought we would run up a bit more. It's all right. Damn, we missed those cells. Oh, good.
Order filled.
Interesting. Yeah, the sellers are coming in. I might close out soon for an L. I'm still in this. I'm still in longs. I'd like to see how it bounces off that level there. Might be out. There we go. That's what we wanted. Come on, push up. Give me a strong push. Give me a strong push. No. Yeah, might be screwed here. There's just a lot of buying momentum, so that's what I'm kind of playing off here for the longer kind of term trade, is I'm banking that we're going to have buyers push this through a little bit higher before we have a really big sell-off. I'm hoping this is as big of the sell-off as we're going to get. But my strat would be to take sells there. I just didn't take it because it didn't get close enough. We didn't get close enough to this level for me to be confident in taking those sells. And I liked how it was bouncing off of that trend line. So I was kind of banking on price really continuing up a little bit more before pushing down. We're still in. We can still come back from this here. We may have just got in tad early. It's okay. Sometimes you're not always perfect at timing it, but you want to just be on the right side of the market in the long run. I'm not really liking price movement at the moment. We could be just building a bull flag. That's really what we could be just doing right now. If I get into the green, I'll probably just pull this trade. But we'll see. I really need to see some strong, push up to the upside soon. I do feel like we're gonna be moving to the upside long term. So it'd be great to see this candle really explode upwards. Almost green. Come on now. Where are buyers at? Might take some off just so. Let's see. Ooh, don't like that. Yeah, that's not nice. Price is ranging at the moment. What do we look like on? Oh, it's just too high. That's not good. Yeah, we're gonna have to get out of this.
Order filled.
Damn. I had to get out. Ooh. All right, that's an L. I should have stuck to my trading, my A+ setup, but that's all right. We can come back. We can come back. Not a problem. Where is my other? Where is that? Live attempts. What?
Order rejected.
Why?
Order rejected.
It's not telling me why it's rejecting it.
Order rejected.
I really don't know how to work Trade of 8 fully yet. All right, I'm down a grand. Which is fine. Oops. Thanks. I should have went for the sells, but we just weren't close enough. 35 ticks. That's okay. Give me 1 sec, guys. We're going to take more trades. Gotta make this $1,000 back. Oops. I'm gonna open the door. Okay, let's do this. Let's get some trades going.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna scalp this. I'm not gonna call this one out just because this is a risky scalp. You gotta be quick.
Order filled.
Okay, $100. All I did is just get into sells there. I should have held it a little bit longer. Damn. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. I'm gonna play some big trades soon. I'm just I just gotta go onto a phone call and literally like I'll be on for like 10 minutes. I just have to take a phone call real quick. And then damn, I should have held those cells. Stupid. Oh damn, too late. I was gonna go into buys there. It's too late. Just doing small scalps at the moment. Just ranging. Think about giving buys a go again.
Order filled.
And some longs. Just scalping, so I'm gonna be in and out fairly quick. This is interesting price action. I actually gotta get out of this soon because I gotta make this phone call. Come on, let me out of this soon. Oof. Let me put a sell limit there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Another $100. Okay, gotta make a phone call. I'm up 204. $204. I gotta make a phone call. I'll be back.